The chase for smaller devices is still on, but there is one axis that is more important than others: the thickness or the thinness? Now with tablets roughly 5mm thick, we are entering the paper-thin era. It's obvious that we can't get away with bulky round cables. The FFC or flat flex cables have been in our devices for many years now and still are the best solution if the compactness is the key factor. GCT offers incredibly space-saving and lightweight 3 pitches: 0.3, 0.5 or 1mm. For more flexibility, there are various configurations available with different entry types and locking options. And remember, using connectors for flat flex cables improves repairability of your devices, making it less costly to maintain.